Hello dear students and teachers, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will solve CBSE class 10 maths standard sample question paper released by CBSE board. In this video we will solve only part A questions, that is question number 1 to 20, and I'll go through all the questions in detail and try to make a note of all these questions, and also do subscribe the channel. I'll be posting the term 1 chapter wise important MCQs which will be helpful for your exam. Students and teachers, and also join my Telegram group where I'll be posting or sharing the worksheets which I'll be preparing. Students, before solving the questions we need to follow few general instructions. The term 1 paper contains 3 parts: part A, part B and part C. Section A or part A consists of 20 questions of 1 marks each. You need to attempt any 16 questions. In the same way, section B consists of 20 questions of 1 mark each. You should attempt only 16 questions, and section C consists of 10 questions based on 2 case studies. Based on the case studies, you need to attempt 8 questions. There is no negative marking. Students, make a note of all these questions. If you have already done, it's better to make a note of all these questions again. Do practice these questions, and also similar questions I'll be posting as soon as possible. So do subscribe the channel. Now moving to first question, that is moving to first question of section A. Section A consists of 20 questions of 1 mark each. You should attempt 16 questions. The first question: the ratio of LCM and HCF of the least composite and the least prime numbers is. Students, we should understand what do you mean by composite number and prime number. Prime numbers are number which is divisible by 1 and the number itself. Prime numbers are the numbers which are divisible by 1 and the number itself. Example: 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. These are the prime numbers. Example: if you take the number 2, this number can be divided by number 1 or the same number 2. 2 can be divided by 1 or by the same number 2. Therefore 2 is a prime number. In the same way, what do you mean by composite number? Composite number are those number which has more than 2 factors. That is, for example, 4, 6, 8, 9 and so on. If you take the number 4, it has factor 1, 2 and the 4. It has more than 2 factors. Therefore 4 is an composite number. Therefore, what is the least composite number? It is 4. What is the least prime number? It is 2. We need to find out the ratio of LCM and HCF of least composite and least prime numbers. What is the least prime number? It is 2. Least composite number is 4. Now we'll find out HCF of the least prime number 2 and the least composite number 4. What is HCF? Highest common factor. That is 2 can be written as 1 into 2. 4 can be written as 1 into 2 into 2. What is the common factor we have? We have 2. Therefore, HCF of 2 and 4 is what? 2. In the same way, we'll find out LCM. LCM of 2 and 4. So, LCM of 2 and 4, that is, again, I'll write the factors first. Factors of 2 is 1 and 2, and 4 is 1 into 2 into 2. The factors of 4. Now, the highest power is what? 2. Therefore, the LCM is what? 2 square, that is 4. Therefore, LCM of 2, 4 is what? It is 4. Therefore, we need to find out LCM, ratio of LCM of 2, 4 divided by HCF of 2, 4. What is LCM of 2, 4? It is 4. HCF of 2, 4 is 2. So what we get is 2 divided by 1. Therefore, the ratio is what? Ratio is 2:1. Therefore, the correct answer is option B. The correct answer is option B. Option B, 2:1. Students, now moving to second question. The value of k for which the lines 5x plus 7y equals 3 and 15x plus 21y equals k coincide. Therefore, the given lines are 5x plus 7y equals 3. Now writing it in standard form, that is 5x plus 7y, that is shift plus 3 to LHS, it becomes minus 3 equals 0. What is the value of A1? A1 is 5, B1 is 7, and C1 is what? Minus 3. A1 is 5, B1 is 7, C1 is minus 3. In the same way, what is the second line? 15x plus 21y equals k. In standard form, it is 15x plus 21y. Shifting plus k to LHS, it becomes minus k equals 0. Now what is A2? A2 is 15. B2 is 21. What is C2? C2 is minus k. Now they have given the condition, the lines will coincide. If the lines are coinciding, given what? The condition is the two lines represented by the equations, what? The lines coincide. If the lines coincide, the condition is the ratio A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, which is equal to C1 by C2. If the lines coincide, the condition is the ratio A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 equals C1 by C2. Now substitute the values of A1, A2, B1, B2 and C1, C2. What is A1? A1 is 5. B1, A2 is 15. In the same way, B1 is 7 and B2 is 21, which is equal to C1 is minus 3 and C2 is minus K. Students, the third ratio, that is C1 by C2, contains K. Now equate C1 by C2 with any ratio, that is A1 by A2 or B1 by B2. I'll equate these two ratios. That is 7 by 21 equals minus 3 by minus K. Minus and minus will cancel out. 7 times 1, 7 times 3 is 21. Now cross multiplying, K into 1 is K, which is equal to 3 into 3 is 9. Therefore, the value of K is what? 9. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, 9. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, 9. Therefore, answer is option A, 9. Students, if the lines coincide, the condition is A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 equals C1 by C2. If the lines are intersecting, the condition is A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. If the lines are parallel, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2. Dear students, now moving to the question number 3. A girl walks 200 meters towards the east and then 150 meters towards the north. Now the distance of the girl from the starting point is, consider the girl is at the starting point, that is origin 0, 0. Now she'll move towards the what? East. She'll move towards the east, that is in the positive x direction. What? Around 200 meters. Again she'll move towards the north, covering 150 meters. We need to find out the distance of the girl from the starting, that is from the origin to the point B. Therefore, the distance is what? The distance between the origin and the point is what? It is root of x square plus y square. What is x? X value is 200 and y value is 150. Therefore, the distance OB equals square root of x square plus y square. By using the distance formula, now OB equals square root of what is x? X is 200 square. Y square is 150 square. Now OB equals 200 square is, we get 4 and 4 zeros, plus 150 square is 15 square is 225 and 2 times zeros. Now if we add, OB equals 6, 2, 5, 0, 0. Now OB equals square root of 625 is 25 and 2 zeros is written as 1 0. Therefore, the distance between the starting point and the distance at point B is what? 250 meters. Therefore, the correct answer is option B. The correct answer is option B, 250 meters. Otherwise you can use the Pythagoras theorem, you will get the same answer. Now the distance between the origin and the point B is what? Root of x square plus y square, that is x is 200, y is 150. Therefore we get the distance of the girl from the starting point is 250 meters. Students, now moving to question number 4. The lengths of the diagonals of a rhombus are 24 centimeter and 32 centimeter. Then the length of the altitude of the rhombus is, we need to find out the altitude of the rhombus. Students, as you can check in the figure, now I'll consider the diagonal AC as 32 centimeter and the diagonal BD as 24 centimeter as given in the question. Now I'll find out OA. OA is nothing but AC divided by 2. We get AC divided by 2 is, that is 32 divided by 2 is 16 centimeter. Now in the same way I'll find out OB. OB equals 24 divided by 2, that is BD divided by 2, we get 12 centimeter. Now using this OA, that is 16 centimeter, and OB as what? 12 centimeter. By using the concept of Pythagoras theorem, I'll find out the side AB. Now the side, using Pythagoras theorem, using Pythagoras theorem, what we get? AB square equals OA square plus OB square. Now AB square, what is OA square? OA square is 16 square plus OB square is 12 square. What is 16 square is 256, 12 square is 144. 256 plus 144 is 400. Now the length AB equals square root of 400. Now AB equals what? Square root of 400 is 20 units. Now we have got the side as what? Side as 20 units. Now students, to find out the altitude, we should know the area of rhombus, that is area of rhombus equals what? Half into product of diagonals, that is D1 into D2. Half into D1 is what? D1 is 32 into D2 is 24. We get 2 ones are 2, 12s are 32 into 12 is 384 centimeter square. Now we know that all the rhombuses are parallelogram. Therefore area of rhombus is equal to what? Area of parallelogram. Now what is area of rhombus? We have already calculated, it is 384. What is area of parallelogram? That is base into height. Now that is height or altitude h equals what? 384 divided by base. Base is how much? We have already calculated, it is 20 units, that is 20. Now we get height or altitude equals what? 384 divided by 20, we get 19.2 centimeter. Therefore the correct answer is option D, the correct answer is option D, 19.2 centimeter. The question is little bit lengthy, but if you use the concept, it is easy. First we need to find out the base, that is base of the side, by using the Pythagoras theorem. Then we need to find out area of rhombus, which is equal to area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is base into height. Base we have calculated, it has 20 units, and which is equal to what? 384 divided by 20. Altitude equals 384 divided by 20, which is equal to 19.2 centimeter. Students, now moving to question number 5. Two fair coins are tossed. What is the probability of getting at most one head? Now, if we toss two fair coins, the possible outcomes, the total possible outcome will be, it can be head, or tail, head, or head, tail, or tail, tail. Therefore, all the outcomes is what? 4. That is, n of s is what? 4. That is, the sample space is also called as all the possible outcomes is what? 4. Now, the favorable event is getting at most one head. Let A be the event of getting what? The favorable event, that is getting at most one head. It is TH or HT or TT. Students, you should understand, getting at most one head is what? It can be one head or no head. Therefore, n of A is what? 3. Now, the probability of getting, that is getting one at most one head, is n of A divided by n of S. What is n of A? N of A is 3. N of S is 4. Therefore, the correct answer is option A. Answer is option A, 3 by 4. Now, moving to question number 6. They have given that triangle ABC and triangle PQ are similar if AM and PM are altitudes of triangle ABC and triangle PQ respectively. Then they have given AB square is to PQ square is what? 4:9. Now, AB by PQ is what? Square root of 4 is 2, square root of 9 is 3. Therefore, the ratio of sides of similar triangles is equal to what? Ratio of their altitudes, which will be equal to what? AM by PN. Therefore, the correct answer is 2:3. Answer is what? Option D, 2:3. Since if two triangles are similar, then the corresponding sides will be in the same proportion and also their altitude. Therefore, the correct answer is option D, 2:3. Students, now moving to question number 7. If 2 sine square beta minus cos square beta equals 2, then value of beta is, now what is a given equation? 2 sine square beta minus cos square beta equals what? 2. Students, we know the identity one, sine square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. Now, cos square theta equals what? 1 minus sine square theta. Now, we replace cos square beta as what? 1 minus sine square beta. Instead of theta, we have just beta. Now, 2 sine square beta minus, replace cos square beta as 1 minus sine square beta, which is equal to 2. Now, 2 sine square beta plus into minus, minus 1 minus into minus plus sine square beta, which is equal to 2. 2 sine square beta plus 1 sine square beta, we get 3 sine square beta, which is equal to, shift minus 1 to RHS, it becomes plus 1. 3 sine square beta equals 3. 3 and 3 will cancel out, we get sine square beta equals what? 1. Now on the RHS, I can write 1 as what? Sine 90 degree. The standard angle sine 90 degree equals 1. Therefore, beta will be equal to what? 90 degree. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, 90 degree. Correct answer is option B, 90 degree. Moving to question number 8. The prime factors of the denominator of a rational number with decimal expansion 44.123. What is the given decimal expansion? 44.123. Students, have you observed it? It is an terminating decimal expansion. If you observe, the given decimal expansion is terminating. If it is terminating, the denominator will be of the form 2 power m into 5 power n. Therefore, the factors of denominator will be of the form 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. Therefore, the correct answer is option C, 2 and 5. Students, now moving to question number 9. Question number 9. The lines x equals a and y equals b are. Students, the line x equals a parallel to y axis and y equals b is a line parallel to x axis. Therefore, they are definitely intersecting. Now, I'll draw the diagram. If you observe, the line x equals a is parallel to what? X axis, y axis, and the line y equals b is parallel to x axis. They are intersecting at point a comma b. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, intersecting. The line x equals a is parallel to y axis and the line y equals b is parallel to x axis. They meet or they intersect at a point. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, intersecting lines. Now, moving to question number 10. The distance of a point A from the origin is, what is the point? The point A is minus 5 comma 6. Given the point is what? Minus 5 comma 6. Consider it as x comma y. The distance between the origin and the point is given by the formula d equals square root of just x square plus y square. D equals, what is x? X is minus 5 whole square, y is 6 square. Minus 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36. Now 25 plus 36 is 61. Therefore, d equals square root of 61 units. Therefore, the correct answer is option D, root 61 units. Very simple question. The distance between the origin and the point is given by the formula d equals square root of x square plus y square. Students, now moving to question number 11. Students, if you need to score good marks in term 1, you need to practice lot of multiple choice question unit wise, and also you need to understand the concepts involved in the chapter. So do subscribe the channel. I'll be posting chapter wise multiple choice questions, and also join my Telegram group where I'll be sharing the study materials. Now moving to question number 11. If a square equals 23 by 25, then a is rational, option B irrational, option C whole number or integer. Given what? Given a square equals what? 23 divided by 25. Now a equals what? A equals square root of 23 divided by 25. Now square root of 23 will be written as it is since it cannot be simplified. Now square root of 25 is 5. Now square root of 23 is an irrational number and 5 is an rational number. Therefore, if we divide irrational number divided by rational number, therefore the whole number will be irrational. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, irrational. Square root of 23 is an irrational number divided by 5. You get again an irrational number. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, irrational number. Now moving to question number 12. If LCM of two numbers, that is first number is x and second number is 18, is 36, and HCF of two numbers is 2. Given LCM is 36, HCF is what? 2. LCM equals 36 and HCF is 2. And what are the numbers? First number is what? First number is x and second number is 18. Now we know that what we know? We know that HCF into LCM of two numbers is equal to product of two numbers. What is HCF? HCF is already, it is given, HCF is 2 and LCM is 36 and the first number is x and the second number is 18. Now x equals 2 into 36 by 18. 2 ones are 2 9s are 9 times 1, 9 times 4. Therefore x is what? 4. Therefore the correct answer is what? The value of x is 4. Therefore the correct answer is option C, 4. The product of two numbers is equal to product of its HCF and LCM. Students, now moving to question number 13. In triangle ABC, that is right angle at B, if tan A equals root 3, then cos A cos C minus sin A sin C is equal to, given what? The given data is what? Tan A equals root 3. Now tan A equals, in terms of tan standard angle, root 3 can be written as tan 60 degree. Therefore angle A is what? 60 degree. Now in the same, what is angle C? Angle C will be equal to 90 minus 60 degree, that is angle C equals what? 30 degree. Now what we need to find out? Cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. This is what we need to find out. Now what is cos A? A is 60 degree into cos 30 degree minus sin A is sin 60 degree into sin C is sin 30 degree. What is cos 60 degree? It is 1 by 2 into cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2 minus sin 60 degrees root 3 by 2 into sin 30 is 1 by 2. 1 into root 3 is root 3 divided by 2 into 2 is 4 minus root 3 into 1 is root 3 divided by 2 into 2 is 4 plus root 3 divided by 4 and minus root 3 divided by 4 will cancel. We get answer 0. The correct answer is option B, 0. Therefore answer is option B 0. Moving to question number 14. If the angles of triangle ABC are in the ratio 1:1:2 respectively, the largest angle being angle C, then the value of secant A divided by cosecant B minus tan A divided by cot B is. Students, they are given the ratio of the angles are in the ratio 1:1:2. Therefore, it will be 1x plus now consider, let the ratio is what 1:1:2. Now sum of their ratios is what 180 degree, that is sum of angles in a what, let angle A is what 1x, angle B is what 1x, angle C is what 2x. Now angle A plus angle B plus angle C is what 180 degree. What is angle A? X, angle B is x, and angle C is x, which is equal to angle C is 2x, which is equal to 180 degree. Now 3x plus x is 2x plus 2x is 4x equals 180 degree. X equals 180 divided by 2, sorry, 180 divided by 4, we get x as what 45 degree. Now angle A is what 45 degree, angle B is 45 degree, angle C is what 2 times x, that is 90 degree. What we need to find out? We need to find out secant A divided by cosecant B minus tan A divided by cot B. What is secant A? It is secant 45 degree divided by cosecant B is what 45 degree minus tan A is what 45 degree, tan A is tan 45 degree. In the same way, cot B is cot 45 degree. What is secant 45 degree? It is root 2. Cosecant 45 degree is also root 2 minus tan 45 is 1, and cot 45 is 1. Root 2 will cancel out, we get 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. Therefore, the correct answer is option A 0. Answer is option A 0. Moving to question number 15. The number of revolution made by a circular wheel of radius 0.7 meters in rolling a distance of what 176 meters is. Students, the number of revolutions equals total distance. What is this total distance covered divided by circumference? So what is the total distance covered? It is 176 divided by the circumference of the circle is 2 into pi into r. So 176 divided by 2 into 20, pi value is 22 by 7 into radius is what 0.7 meters. 2 ones are 2, 8s are is 2 times 88 is 176. Now 22 ones are 22, 4s are. Now what we get? 4 divided by 0.7 divided by 7, it will go to the numerator 7 divided by 0.7 is 10. We get 4 into 10, therefore 40. Therefore the number of revolution is 40. Therefore the correct answer is option D, 40. The number of revolution is total distance covered divided by circumference. The circumference of the circle is given by c equals 2 pi r. Moving to question number 16. Triangle ABC is such that AB equals 3 centimeter, BC equals 2 centimeter and CA equals 2.5 centimeter. If triangle ABC and triangle DEF are similar and EF equals what, 4 centimeter, then the perimeter of triangle DF is. Students, if two triangles are similar, then the corresponding sides will be in proportion, and also if you add the sides, the sum of the sides of first triangle divided by sum of the sides of second triangle will be in the same proportion. That is, perimeter of triangle ABC divided by perimeter of triangle DEF will be equal to BC divided by EF, ratio of their corresponding side. What is the perimeter of triangle ABC? That is 3 plus 2 plus 2.5. We get 7.5 divided by perimeter of triangle DF. I'll take it as X, which is equal to BC is 2 divided by EF is 4. Now X is what? X is the perimeter of triangle DF. Now X equals cross multiply 7.5 into 4 divided by 2 ones are 2 2s are 7.5 into 2 is what? 15 centimeter. Therefore perimeter of triangle DEF is what? 15 centimeter. Therefore the correct answer is option B, 15 centimeter. Students, now moving to question number 17. In the figure, if D is parallel to BC and given AD as what? 3 centimeter and BD as what? BD is 4 centimeter and BC is what? 14 centimeter. We need to find out the length DE. Since DE is parallel to BC, therefore using the concept of using the concept of Thales Theorem, AD by AB equals in triangle ADE and triangle ABC. Using the concept of Thales Theorem, AD by BD or DB equals AE by AC, which is equal to DE by BC. AD by AB equals what? DE by BC. What is AD? AD is 3 centimeter. AB is 3 plus 4 is 7. D is what? We need to find out as it is. And BC is what? 14. Now D equals cross multiply 3 times 14 divided by 17. 7 ones are 7 twos are. Now D equals what? 3 times 2 is 6. Therefore the correct answer is 6 centimeter. Therefore the correct answer is option B. Answer is option B, 6 centimeter. Moving to question number 18. If 4 tan beta equals 3, then 4 sin beta minus 3 cos beta divided by 4 sin beta plus 3 cos beta is equal to. Given 4 tan beta equals what? 3. Now tan beta is what? 3 divided by 4. What we need to find out? We need to find out 4 sin beta minus 3 cos beta whole divided by what? 4 sine beta plus 3 cos beta. Now divide numerator and denominator by cos beta. Why we need to divide it by cos beta? Because we have tan beta value. Therefore I'll divide by what? Cos beta. That is sin beta by cos beta is tan beta minus cos beta by cos beta is 1 as it is. Now 4 sin beta by cos beta is tan beta minus plus 3 as it is. Cos beta divided by cos beta is 1. Now tan beta value is what? 3 by 4 minus 3 whole divided by 4 into tan beta value is 3 divided by 4 plus 3. 4 and 4 will cancel out. 3 minus 3 is 0. 3 plus 3 is 6. 0 divided by 6 is 0. Therefore the correct answer is option A. Therefore the answer is option A, 0. Otherwise you can, by using the concept of Pythagoras theorem, you can find out the hypotenuse, then you can find out the sine ratio and cos ratio, then you can substitute the values, then you will get the same answer. Students, moving to question number 19. One of the pair of dependent linear equations is minus 5x plus 7y equals 2. The second equation can be given. The linear equation is minus 5x plus 7y equals 2. Writing it in standard form, minus 5x plus 7y minus 2 equals 0. Now dependent linear equation means the lines are coincident, that is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, which is equal to c1 by c2. Now check for the option so that the ratio of all the ratios are equal. That is, if I check option A, it is wrong. If I check option B, then here it is plus is there, it is minus, so it is wrong. Therefore the correct equation is option D. That is, the ratio a1 by a2 is what? Minus 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is minus 1 by 2. In the same way c1 by c2 is minus 1 by 2. Therefore the correct answer is option D, 10x minus 14y equals minus 4. It should satisfy the condition a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, which is equal to c1 by c2. Students, now moving to question number 20. A letter of English alphabets is chosen at random. What is the probability that it is a letter of the word mathematics, mathematics? Now, how many letters are there in English alphabet? That is, the total number of letters is A to Z, which is equal to what? 26. What is a favorable event? Let it be A. It is M A T H E. Again MA is repeated. You should not repeat the letters. Therefore T I C S. Therefore the number of favorable letters are MATHEICS. Therefore N of A is what? The number of favorable outcome is what? 8. Therefore the probability of event A is what? N of A divided by N of S. What is N of A? 8 divided by 26. 2 4s are 2, 13s are, we get 4 by 13. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, 4 divided by 13. The total number of outcome is what? 26. Favorable outcome is 8. 8 divided by 26, we get 4 divided by 13. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, 4 divided by 13. Students, we have completed the section A of sample paper 1. Totally you have learned 20 questions. In the next video, I'll post the part B, that is section B solutions. Do subscribe the channel, and also I'll post the science answers, multiple choice questions with explanation. Do subscribe the channel, and also do share with your friends, and do join the Telegram group, which I'll be posting the link in the description. Thank you for watching the video.